everyone and welcome to Decor Puzzle. Today we'll be telling you 8 modular kitchen design tips for first-timers. Layouts, cabinets, pull-outs, countertops. If this is the first time you're getting a modular kitchen design for your home, be ready to be bombarded with jargons that may go over your mind. Wondering what all pointers should be kept in mind when you meet an interior designer or venture out in the kitchen market? Here's a go-to rulebook for first-timers on how to get started with your modular kitchen design and plan. Number 1. Identify your kitchen work triangle. For the uninitiated, a kitchen work triangle constitutes your refrigerator, sink, and hob. A large part of choosing a kitchen layout is deciding how these 3 essential items interact with each other, like the location of and the space between each. Draw up a rough sketch of your kitchen space before thinking of the layout. Number 2. Ideal countertop height. The standard counter height of a kitchen is usually decided by the average height of people in the country. In India, the counter height is generally between 820 millimeters to 860. It's comfortable for most people to work at. Ensure that the space between your kitchen cabinets and the countertop is not too much. If it's too high, it may be difficult for shorter people to reach the upper shelves. Number 3. Choose colors wisely. Remember that you will need to maintain the kitchen in the longer run. It might be the best to avoid an all-white kitchen, simply because cooking tends to result in a lot of stains. All-white kitchens demand consistent cleaning and are high on maintenance, but that doesn't mean you blindly opt for bright hues. After all, darker shades attract more heat, especially in summers. You can always choose a combination of the two to maintain the overall harmony, but a nice tip would be to make sure that your kitchen color goes well with your overall home decor. Number 4. Ventilation is key. Cooking is one activity that generates a lot of heat. Make sure that your kitchen has sufficient ventilation. Most kitchens have a chimney, an exhaust fan, or both to vent out the frying fumes. Ideally, there should be a window in the kitchen to let more air in, or a door that opens out to the balcony or the washing area. This would allow fresh air to come in and make sure that the smoke from the cooking doesn't collect inside your house. Number 5. Kitchen lighting. Nothing can beat natural light flooding in through the window to lighting up your kitchen. However, with natural light, ensure that there is great lighting in the kitchen for the evenings and nighttime. Overhead lighting will light up the countertop where most of the action happens. Under cabinet lights are becoming popular as they provide direct light on the countertop. Number 6. Safety first. When it comes to the kitchen, one of the most important things to consider is safety. From safe gas piping to curved countertop edges. You should think about all different ways to make your kitchen safe. Make sure that even the flooring you choose is slip resistant. Your appliances should be close to the switchboard, And there should be some space between the sink and the stove. Number 7. Don't ignore corner spaces. Often, while creating storage shelves and cabinets, we ignore the corners. However, nowadays there are plenty of options available to make the best use of corner spaces. Professionals can help you personalize your layout and get the most out of the space available. After all, there is no such thing as too much storage available in the kitchen. Number 8. Trash it right. Some people prefer to keep the trash can in plain view so that it's easily accessible. These are easy to clean as well. However, if the thought of seeing the garbage can in the open is not for you, you can get built-in bins. These are constructed behind the cabinet door, usually under the sink. But here's a tip. Don't forget to ask for separate ones for your dry and wet waste. We hope you got some ideas for your own kitchen. Don't forget, these are just the basics. You should put in a lot of thought and research while doing your kitchen interiors because it's an expensive investment. Your cooking space can always be customized, made eco-friendly and functional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more ideas on how you can elevate your house. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Hello guys, welcome back to Decor Puzzle. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is gonna be about kitchen layout guide to create a functional kitchen design. So let's get right into the video. If you're planning a kitchen renovation, then you must be looking for kitchen design ideas that works best for the space that you have available. Not everyone is able to build a brand new house to live in. This means that most people have to renovate their existing kitchen and have to decide on a kitchen design that transforms their current space into something that is functional and works for their family. Our kitchen designers often work with our clients to custom build a kitchen within their current space. We spoke to our designers and they said that deciding the right type of design doesn't just mean deciding on a U-shaped, L-shaped or galley kitchen. There are a few technicalities that need to be kept in mind before deciding on a layout for the kitchen. They work by 7 rules that go into designing a kitchen that works for our clients. In this video, we will discuss the following. 1. 7 core technicalities to keep in mind when designing your kitchen layout. 2. Kitchen ergonomics 101. 3. 6 most popular kitchen layouts. Which layout is for your kitchen design? Whatever shape your kitchen has, it must be livable first. It has to be an area where you can walk around at ease without bumping into things. You need to align your cabinets in a way that when opened they are not bumping into something else. Therefore, space planning is vital before you can decide a shape for your kitchen. 7 essentials to keep in mind when deciding on a layout for your kitchen design. In the first section of this video, we will discuss the 7 essential features that you should keep in mind before deciding on a layout for your kitchen. Kitchen ergonomics and the work triangle. Kitchen ergonomics is important in order to achieve a great kitchen design. Ergonomics is a study of designing an environment that fits people instead of people fitting into an environment. A work triangle was initially devised as a measure of efficiency of a kitchen. The triangle ensures that there is a clear pathway from your stove, the cleaning area which is your sink, and your refrigerator. There should be no other traffic flow